Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Standard Chartered Bank. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop, go to the search field and search for sc.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, go to the online banking option that is on the top of the site. From here, you can choose a reason to log into your account. By tapping on it, you'll be directed to another page. Now go to the login tab and from there choose the online banking login option. Now on this page that appears, you can see here secure logging and new to online banking. So if you haven't registered for the online banking, you can go to the register now and tap on it in order to register. Without registering your account, you can log into it online. So in order to do that, first you have to register your account. Once you have registered your account, you can go to the secure login and choose the language. Then you can enter the username, which is usually of 8 to 16 letters, and type in your password that you have set while creating or registering your account. If you have forgotten any username or password details, then you can go to forget username or password and reset it. By tapping on it, you'll be directed to another page where you can reset your username and password. Once you are done entering your details, go and tap onto the login option in order to proceed. So now you'll be successfully logged into your Standard Chartered's online banking. And this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.